First problem we're going to look at here is number 7. And when I do number 7 here, I'm going to look at it and say 2 times cosine of x plus 1 equals 0. That's going to look pretty similar to number 1, so if you notice the only difference there, that might give you a heads up on what's going to be happening. First of all, go ahead and solve for cosine. Cosine of x equals negative 1/2. And remember that this is an x over r. You need to memorize that cosine equals x over r. There's really no other way around that. But because we have a radius now, we can go through and figure out what is a radius of 2. And that it means we're going to have a circle. So you can see here that my circle has a radius of 2. And you would draw one similar to that. But the x value on this is negative 1. So I'm going to go 1 unit to the left. Because it's an x value, it's going to be to the left. There's an x value of negative 1 in both places. And we start to draw triangles. One triangle goes to the x-axis and to the origin. Same deal here. To the x-axis and to the origin. And you can label things appropriately. We went 1 unit to the left, so there's that. The radius of the circle is 2, so here we go with that. And this is square root of 3, which will also be complete. Across from the square root of 3 in a 30, 60, 90 triangle is the 60-degree angle, or pi over 3. And those are both finished there. Now we want to figure out that this angle right here is going to be less than half a circle. For less than half a circle, we're going to have pi minus pi over 3, which will end up being 2 pi over 3, one of our answers. Next, go all the way around. That's going to be a little more in the circle, so we start, or half a circle, so we start with pi, and we add pi over 3, which, when you get a common denominator and all that good stuff, you'll get 4 pi over 3. That's how this problem will end, so you can check your work, make sure you understand what's going on there, write down any questions you have again to ask me on Wednesday when I get back.